Many times, when we close our eyes to rest, we are taken to a world where the boundaries of reality dissolve. Have you ever stopped to think that, in this ethereal space, dreams can be more than mere creations of our minds? They can be messages from angels, whispers from the universe seeking to guide us and connect us with what truly matters.
Imagine yourself on a calm night. Angelicmessages trug se window as you surrender to sleep.
In that moment, the angels are around you, watching over you and sending signals. It is in this deep state that your soul opens to receive revelations about your life, your relationships, and especially, about someone who has been on your mind. This person, who appears repeatedly in your dreams, may be a deeper connection than you realize. Dreams are bridges that connect the conscious to the subconscious, and in this space, the angels may be trying to show you feelings that you may have repressed or not fully acknowledged. Have you felt a special presence in your dreams? That light that shines, that energy that surrounds you when you think of this person, may be a reflection of the connection that unites you. The question that resonates is, what does this connection mean to you? As you reflect on this, it's important to recognize that each dream is an opportunity for self-exploration. Many report that upon waking, they feel a mix of emotions, joy, longing, perhaps even confusion. This range of feelings is an important clue. The angels are showing you that there is something to be explored, something that deserves your attention. And this leads us to an even deeper reflection. Have you ever questioned what your intuition is telling you about this person? Sometimes, the heart knows more than the mind is willing to accept. Throughout your days, as you walk through life, pay attention to the little signs that may arise. A line in a song, a place you frequent, even a casual conversation, everything can be an echo of the message that the angels want you to hear. Now imagine that, in one of those moments of clarity, you allow yourself to feel the presence of this person, not just in dreams but in your reality. By doing this, you open a channel of communication with the divine, allowing the angels to guide you toward a deeper understanding of your purpose. As you consider this, remember that you are not alone on this journey. The angels walk beside you, ready to offer support and unconditional love. They want you to know that every dream, every sign, is an opportunity for transformation. What can you perceive about your life from these messages? And as you reflect on this, know that the next revelation will be even more powerful. The angels have a special message for you that transcends dreams and touches the essence of your reality. Get ready to discover what more is in store for your heart and soul. In a corner of the universe, there is a vibrant energy that connects us all, an invisible thread that ties us to our deepest thoughts and feelings.
Can you feel this connection?
Sometimes, life seems like a tangled mess of emotions, and it's easy to get lost in it all. But did you know that there are divine signs that can guide you and indicate that someone is thinking of you? Imagine for a moment that you are in a place of tranquility, perhaps in a park, where a gentle breeze brushes your face and the leaves dance in the wind. In this sacred space, pay attention to what happens around you. The angels speak through the whispers of nature, in little coincidences, and even in unexpected encounters. They want you to know that you are not alone and that there is a greater force watching over you. Divine signs can manifest in various ways. Have you ever noticed a song playing in your mind, and shortly thereafter, hear that same song playing somewhere?
Or, as you walk down the streets, your memories of a special person intensify in an inexplicable way.
These moments are not mere coincidences. They are messages from the universe, reminding you that someone is sending love and positive thoughts your way. One of the most powerful ways to feel these signs is through dreams. Have you ever woken up with the feeling that someone was with you while you slept?
Dreams are windows to the soul, where angels can manifest, bringing messages and revelations.
If you have been dreaming about a specific person, it is essential to pay attention. Dreams might be the way that person is connecting with you, even from afar. And this brings us to an important reflection. What are the angels trying to tell you through these dreams? They may be an invitation for you to open yourself up to new possibilities, to re-evaluate relationships, or even to embrace feelings you have kept hidden. Allow yourself to dive into this introspection and understand what each dream brings to your life. As you reflect, consider that there is an inner light within you that shines brightly. This brightness attracts similar energies, which is why you can feel when someone is thinking about you. By connecting with yourself, you become more receptive to these messages. A simple ritual that can help you in this process is to light a candle while you ponder your intentions. Feel the flame as a symbol of your own light, illuminating the path to the answers you seek. Now, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what does this connection mean to me? By doing this, you will begin to notice the signs that were hidden beneath the surface. You are not alone on this journey. The angels are by your side, guiding and protecting each step. And it is in this space of warmth that the door opens for transformation. Finally, as you consider all of this, remember that your essence is unique and special. You have a purpose in this world, and the signs you receive are reminders that love and connection are always present. As you connect more deeply with your own light, get ready to uncover even more powerful revelations. Are you ready for the next step in this journey? The angels are eager to share what comes next.
Wen night falls en längse settles in. You surrender to the world of dreams.
These moments are more than mere escapes. They are portals of communication between your inner self and the spiritual universe. Have you ever stopped to think about the depth that your dreams can bring? The angels, with their celestial light, use this sacred space to connect with you, bringing messages of love, guidance, and even warnings. Dreams have their own language, filled with symbols and meanings. Each image, each sensation you experience while you sleep, can be a reflection of your deepest desires or a warning about something you need to confront in your everyday life. Imagine for a moment that each dream is a letter sent by angels, full of wisdom, ready to be unraveled by you. Have you allowed yourself to listen to these messages? Many people report that, in times of doubt or uncertainty, their nights are invaded by vivid images and intense emotions. In this ethereal space, it's common to find answers to questions that often seem unsolvable. Messages from angels can appear like a gentle breeze, bringing clarity amidst the storm of thoughts. And upon waking, you may feel the resonance of these experiences, as if a new understanding has blossomed within you. Have you noticed how certain people appear in your dreams repeatedly? It could be a powerful sign that they are thinking of you or that there is an important message that needs to be shared between you. The connection established in the dream realm is real and meaningful. Often, when you dream about someone, you are being guided to reflect on your relationship with that person or to explore emotions that have yet to be fully expressed. And this leads us to an intriguing question. What have you learned about yourself through your dreams? Each night is an opportunity to delve into your essence, uncover hidden facets of your soul, and allow the heavenly voices to guide you on your journey of self-discovery. By embracing the signs that come through dreams, you open a direct line of communication with the divine. If you're wondering how to enhance that connection, here's a simple ritual. Before bedtime, light a candle and whisper a clear intention to the universe. It could be something like, I am open to receiving messages from my spiritual guides during the night.
Leze Candlelight illuminate your space and mind. Creating an environment conducive to revelation.
And when you wake up, record your dreams in a journal, allowing them to become a map of your spiritual journey. As you commit to this practice, you'll notice that your dreams become clearer and more meaningful. Angels are always nearby, ready to guide you. But what else do they have in store for you? This question stands out, hinting at a mystery waiting to be unraveled. Get ready, because the answers you seek may be closer than you think. Nostalgia is a silent companion, an echo that resonates in our hearts, especially when we are waiting for someone or something we love. Have you ever paused to feel this presence? That sensation can be both sweet and painful, a mix of memories that warm the soul and the absence that leaves a void. It is in that space between what was and what could be that angels whisper their messages of comfort and hope. Imagine yourself on a peaceful day, maybe while sipping your coffee or watching the leaves dance in the wind. Suddenly, a memory floods your mind. It could be a laugh, a gaze, or perhaps a conversation that brought light to your day. In that moment, nostalgia transforms into an invitation to reflect. What do you truly desire at this instant? The answer may be hidden in the subtext of your heart, waiting to be discovered. Emotional challenges can seem like insurmountable mountains, but remember, you are not alone on this journey. Angels are around you, guiding your steps and sending signs. Often, they manifest through small things, a white feather falling from the sky, a dream that feels so vivid, or even a song that plays at an unexpected moment. These signs are reminders that love transcends distance and time. And when the waiting becomes a heavy burden, how can you find relief?
A simple ritual mai holze key. Find a quiet space, light a candle, and place your hand on your heart.
Feel the warmth radiating from within you and repeat, I am worthy of the light that surrounds me. This affirmation not only brings comfort, but also aligns your energy with that of the universe, allowing love to flow freely. As you consider these reflections, ask yourself, what is yearning trying to teach you? Every tear that falls is a drop of wisdom, and every moment of waiting is an opportunity for growth. You can transform yearning into a driving force, a motivation to connect even more with your essence. But what happens when the pain of waiting becomes unbearable? The answer lies in acceptance. Accept that time has its own rhythm and that each of us has a unique path. The angels know that patience is a virtue, and that true love is never lost. It transforms and strengthens. Have you felt this transformation in your life? And so, as we reflect on yearning and waiting, we are led to a deeper understanding. These feelings do not need to be viewed solely as suffering, but as a sign that love is real and vibrant. Are you ready to embrace this new perspective? As you meditate on this, know that the next revelation will be even more powerful. The angels have so much more to share about how this journey of longing can transform into a story of love and overcoming. Get ready, for each step you take is guided by a celestial light that never dims. The angelic messages of love and protection are true gifts that life offers us. They appear as gentle whispers in the silence of our souls, bringing solace in moments of uncertainty. Have you ever stopped to think that, often, angels manifest in the simple things of everyday life? An unexpected smile, the song of a bird at dawn, or even a feeling of peace that washes over your heart amidst chaos. These are clear signs that you are being wrapped in a mantle of divine love. Each message that the angels send carries a profound meaning, an invitation for you to connect even more with your essence. When you receive a manifestation of love or protection, it's as if you are being reminded that you are never alone. They are always by your side, ready to guide and support you in challenging moments. It's as if, with every step you take, there is a celestial light illuminating your path. It is important to recognize that these messages can present themselves in different forms. Sometimes they appear in dreams, other times in synchronicities that make us reflect. Have you noticed how certain numbers or symbols repeatedly appear in your life? These are forms of angelic communication. The angels have ways of alerting us, helping us perceive what is happening around us, and guiding us toward what truly matters. As you reflect on these messages, a powerful question arises. What are they trying to tell you right now? Perhaps it's time for you to open yourself up to the love that surrounds you, to accept that you are worthy of receiving protection and care. By becoming aware of this, you allow yourself to live a lighter, more meaningful life. You are not alone on this journey. Love and divine protection are always within your reach. But how can you integrate these messages into your daily life? A simple ritual could be lighting a candle while focusing on your intentions, allowing the light to represent the presence of the angels.
Feel the gentleness of the flame and let it carry your worries into the universe.
In doing so, create a sacred space for your connection with the divine. And so, as you reflect on these angelic messages, remember that they are always an invitation for transformation. Each sign, each dream, each sensation is an opportunity to grow and deepen your spirituality.
Are you ready to welcome more love and protection into your life?
What are the angels trying to show you right now? As you consider this, know that a new revelation is about to emerge. A powerful truth that could change your perspective and open new paths.
Get ready, for the angels have something special in store for you.
Life, dear one, often unfolds in strokes of uncertainty and questions. Have you ever found yourself in a moment of doubt, where dreams seem to echo deep truths, as if the secrets of the universe are whispering in your ear during the night? It is in that sacred space between sleep and wakefulness that the angels communicate, bringing messages that can guide your decisions and illuminate your path. Dreams are not just mere night illusions. They are gateways to the unconscious, where your soul reveals itself in all its fullness. Imagine floating on a serene lake, where the water reflects not only the sky but also the emotions you hold within. Each dream you have is a drop of that water, carrying the wisdom of your desires and fears. You can feel the presence of angels around you, guiding your emotions and revealing what truly matters. One story that exemplifies this connection is about a person who, amidst a whirlwind of decisions, began to dream repeatedly of a place where she felt at peace. It was a forest illuminated by the soft light of dawn, filled with flowers exuding intoxicating fragrances. Upon waking, she decided to visit that place in her mind, allowing tranquility to wash over her. Over time, this simple practice helped her find clarity in her daily choices, showing that dreams can be powerful guides when you pay attention to them. At this moment, I invite you to reflect. What dreams have visited your mind in recent nights? What messages might the angels be trying to convey to you? Observing your dreams is like holding a lantern in the darkness, illuminating the path to transformation. Remember, you are not alone in this process. The angels are always by your side, ready to offer support and guidance. To strengthen this connection, try a simple ritual. Before sleeping, gently light a candle, allowing the light to fill your space. Then place your hand over your heart and repeat the phrase, "I am open to the signs that the angels have for me." Feel the vibrant energy that arises from that moment, knowing that the universe responds to every intention you set. As you immerse yourself in this practice, a new layer of understanding unfolds. You will realize that dreams not only reflect your insecurities, but can also be the key to accessing your inner strength. And this leads us to a crucial point. How can you utilize these dream revelations to shape your decisions and your life? Each morning, upon waking, ask yourself, what have my dreams taught me about what I truly desire? The answers may not come immediately, but by cultivating this practice, you'll begin to notice patterns and insights emerging, like flowers blooming in spring. The angels are sending a powerful message, and it's up to you to pay attention to it. So, as you reflect on the message of your dreams, know that the next part of this journey will reveal even more about the essence of your desires and how the angels are ready to support you at every step of your path.
Get ready, for what comes next might transform your perception and open new doors in your life.
In a world filled with encounters and separations, have you ever paused to consider the impact that the presence of a single person can have on your journey? Life often is like a vast tapestry, where each thread represents a connection, an emotion, a lesson learned. And among these interwoven strands, there exists that special thread that, when tugged at, reveals a pattern of beauty and meaning. Remember a time when someone entered your life and suddenly, everything made more sense. It could be a friend who brought laughter into gray days, or a figure who, even from a distance, occupies a precious space in your heart. That presence, even if subtle, has the power to light your way, to bring warmth in moments of emotional coldness. Isn't it fascinating to think that while you read these words, there might be someone dreaming of you, sending good vibes and protection from the spiritual realm? The angels, in their infinite wisdom, remind us that each connection is an opportunity for growth and transformation. When you allow yourself to open your heart to this presence, you are also permitting yourself to live a new experience. Think about the moments when you felt this person's energy, like a gentle breeze brushing against your face on a hot summer day. That warmth is the confirmation that you are interconnected by something greater than mere acquaintance. Now, imagine the possibility that this presence is not just a chance occurrence, but an invitation from the universe for you to delve deeper into your personal journey. What does this person represent to you? What feelings do they evoke? And more importantly, what can you learn from this relationship? By reflecting on these questions, you begin to tune in to the messages that the angels want to convey to you. Have you ever noticed how, in times of uncertainty, the memory of a special person can bring comfort and clarity? It might be a smile you remember, a conversation that is etched in your mind. These memories are like beacons, guiding your boat through the storm. The angels are here to remind you that you are not alone. Each meaningful connection is a sign that you are worthy of love and support. And this leads us to a profound reflection. How can you nurture those relationships that light up your life? How about dedicating a moment of your day to express gratitude to the people who are part of your story? Write a message, make a call, or even light a candle in their honor. This simple gesture can strengthen bonds and open doors to new experiences. The question that lingers in the air is, are you ready to receive the blessings that come through the connections you make? As you ponder this, know that the presence of that special person may be a sign that much more is to come. What the angels have in store for you is beyond any expectation, and by opening your heart, you begin to walk a path of light. So, as you look towards the horizon, remember, every step you take is an invitation to discover what life has to offer. And each day, upon waking, ask yourself, how can I honor the connections around me today? This is the key to unlocking new possibilities and allowing celestial energy to flow through you. And as you reflect on this, prepare yourself, for in the coming moments, a powerful revelation is about to emerge, bringing to light the true essence of what the angels want you to know.